When someone asks what makes your machine shop different from the rest, it's the ultimate buying question. Instead of clearly identifying what makes your shop different, it can be easy to fall into generalities that don't distinguish your shop from your competitors. Because there are no clear differences, price becomes the deciding factor. Not great for your bottom line or your future. How do you clearly differentiate your shop from the rest? If you've added a CNC machine tending robot, you can talk about all the advantages that robot brings to your customers. It starts with faster quotes that are more accurate. Studies show the first quote, not the best quote, frequently wins. You can talk about keeping your delivery promises because the robot is always there and it's always working. Need to respond to a rush order? The robot can work nights and lights out manufacturing and pick up additional hours that you may not get with a human tending that machine. A purpose-built CNC machine tending robot gives you a real competitive advantage. To learn more about how a machine tending robot can help you get new customers, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.